Hey guys, my name is Manny Alvarez, and my app Smackdown is on Twitter. The general layout of Twitter is vastly known for being a social media outlet for many famous people. Elon Musk recently bought it, and with that, new features and subscriptions have been coming out. As we can see in the picture to the right, we have the main interface when you open the app on your laptop. It might be a little different on your phone. You have your home tab, explore tab, notifications, messages, bookmarks, Twitter Blue, and profile tabs. These are the main tabs to use to navigate the Twitter interface. We can also see the For You page in the middle with the tweets that the Twitter algorithm pushes to your screen. On the right, we see the What's Happening tab, which is just about news currently, and then the Who to Follow tab on the bottom right, where the Twitter will suggest people for you to start following. The Home and Explore tab. The Home and Explore tab are very similar. The Home tab, see right here, is for you to browse through Twitter with posts and tweets that the Twitter algorithm shows you based on who you follow and what you usually watch, which is basically the main Twitter interface. The Explore tab is for when you want to find something new, maybe look someone specifically up. You search for it on the search bar and look. You can look under categories such as trending, sports, news, and entertainment. Both tabs work hand in hand. Notification and messaging tab. The notification and messaging tabs are both important tools to check your activity on the app. You may tweet something out or comment on someone's tweet. You will get an alert about this activity, and you can check to see what the activity was. Maybe they liked it, or maybe they commented back, something like that. Messaging tab is where you connect with people or potential business opportunities. You see on the right here, top is notifications, and then messages. I don't have any messages, so. Twitter is an all-around good marketing tool. It is useful when wanting to promote a business or a service. You can utilize ads and promote on your Twitter account, collab with other people, etc. Bookmark tab. The bookmark tab allows you to save tweets for later viewing. A self-explanatory tab meant for you to save tweets you like or found informative to reference back to later. So any tweets you like, you can bookmark them and so see them later, maybe show somebody or reference it back later. In the professional features tab. So the main reason I chose to present this app is because of the unique features it possesses. It has a professional tools sub-tab that allows you to utilize ads and monetize your account. So on the top left, I'll show you where to go. You see on the more tab, right under the profile, click on it, and then you see professional tools and click on that. And I'll show you after as I go to Twitter in a second. Perfect for promoting businesses and connecting. This is also important for us as growing professionals that we utilize Twitter, not just those looking to start a business, but everyone. It is perfect for staying up to date and connecting with other people, which is important for us in our college life and professional one. So now we're going to go back and I'm going to show you Twitter interface in real time. So this is general layout right here. See the For You page, you see you got things I watch like basketball. Following people who I follow, I look at their tweets. Right here, the tabs, the home tab, the explore tab, here's where you can search. The notifications tab, where you'll see notifications about the people you follow and also comments you make and stuff. Verified people mentions. The messages tab, which you can use to connect with people. Bookmarks for tweets that you want to save for later. Twitter Blue, which is a new thing Elon Musk put where you can verify your account by paying. This is where you can edit your profile. Mine doesn't have that much. And the More tab right here, you press on the More and Professional Tools, and this is where you can monetize your account, put ads, and this is another thing for professionals that you can use. So all that is on the Twitter app. And